Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and use a Tinytask alternative for Roblox and similar games. As Tinytask is not available on phone, it's only for PC. First, go to the Play Store and search for Tinytask. You will notice up that the app doesn't show up. So, I will recommend you another app called Macro. This one. This will look like this. Install the app. After downloading, accept the permissions here, accept all this, and then allow. At first, choose the platform, real phone or emulator. Click real phone, and if this your phone is Xiaomi or Poco, give yes. If not, then no. So that allow all the permissions like this here. Click it yes. Then again next, again next. You have to with the permission and give any name. After that, once it's set up, hit the plus icon. Here is the plus icon, and after clicking plus, name it and select landscape mode. If you are using the Roblox, then customize it in the next steps. Here the landscape. Now you can record taps and set delays and loop the macro just like Tinytask. If you want a full tutorial, just click on this thing, watch tutorial. You will get more details about the app. And that's it. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tricks. See you in the next one.